Pickup line, one way or another.
Hey, all right, okay. So give us one
Give
pickup
a
line.
sample. Give us a sample.
Give us one, just one. Bars.
One.
Bars,
No,
but
no.
not rappable.
I'm writing a paper on the finer things in life. Do you mind if I interview you?
I choose my topic. I want to know. I want to know why men cheat. Why do you niggas cheat? Why?
Why you? Who exactly are you pointing at? Who exactly are you pointing at?
What is this name?
Every one of you, every one of
Who
you has
exactly are you
cheated
pointing at?
once.
You're pointing at who?
Listen,
Hey, did anyone
listen,
read that?
and to all the niggas viewing this, y'all have cheated at least once. So why do you
Hey,
cheat?
Ozo, tell us. You tell us, why do you cheat?
Okay, I'll tell you why I
No
cheat.
comment. I've never cheated. No comment.
Hey, also drop the facts.
I'll tell you why personally I cheat. Or why I cheated. I don't cheat a lot. I've only cheated like twice. Okay, I won't say any, but have you ever been in a relationship with someone who's an intellectual, who's not an intellectual, but you're an intellectual?
Yes. Yes.
And you're not having
That's
intellectual
usually the opposite
conversations
for
with
me,
that
but
person.
Cool. Oh, and you're
Like
dumb, Jaga.
I didn't dumbass. I wouldn't even deny.
I feel like Damas is such a strong. It's such a strong.
He's strong.
But you get what I'm saying.
A strong word.
Yeah, we get what you're saying. Yeah.
Yeah, we get you.
So then you now look for other yibs who give you intelligent conversation, and then you start now having feelings for those yibs, and then Javaran.
Just like that.
Yeah.
And the other instance.
The other instance. I don't know. I don't know why I was cheating. Actually, I don't know. I just cheated for just. Right. Actually, I do know. You know, like when you got like situationships or friends with benefits, and then you get into a relationship and you don't cut them off, and then you just continue to have them during your relationship. Hey, when you get into a relationship,
So basically, like a fuckboy stand.
you need to cut that shit off. You need to tell all your hoes that you got a wife now. None of that funny business.
You need to post your.
So why
you need to post your jam.
I'm not even post your own. They don't care if you post. Posting your jam will make them want you more.
Wait, they tell us if they care about being posted or not.
That is true.
Those like things they can't get.
But it happens, man. Anyone else willing to confess?
Inland said NATO.
Chaka.
Wow. Why is everyone getting up on me, bro? Surprisingly, I'm probably like the most loyal person among us right now. Do you know that?
No.
Okay.
Very shy for
Wow.
Very shy for yourself. Very shy for
Can you
yourself.
at least say that 60% of the time guys cheat because like the ex came back?
But no.
Not even.
Hold up. Are you telling me all of you've never
I don't talk to. No, we don't backslide, bro. You don't backslide.
after the relationship?
No.
While I was in another relationship.
No comment.
What did you?
That's a lie.
See, Owens, I told you, Chaka should confess, Owens. Chaka, just confess.
Confess what, Owen?
It's fine. It's fine. Okay, let's say.
But wait. Can we just pause the conversation for a second? Kays,
What?
have you actually gone after an egg?
Gone after an egg? I have.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah,
That's
that's
enough.
true. That's true.
Thank you.
Owens.
That's true.
Let me tell you the fact, guys.
We
Everyone has,
know. It's okay.
no.
Okay.
Wait.
It's okay. We know.
Let me explain.
Hey,
Let him explain. Let him
let me
explain.
explain. No.
Let me explain.
Let me explain. No. It's okay.
Every person has that ex
You need-
that you hold on to.
No. Mm-mm.
Every
Inini
That's why you-
besanjatomboazive.
That's why you
Inini
You
besanjatomboazive.
just haven't met her yet. You just haven't met her yet.
Every owner has that. Every owner has that ex that you don't want your homies to touch. Am I lying?
Yes.
Yeah, standard. Wait, why would you want
That's
your
true.
touch your
That's-
ex though?
That's
Right.
that's the ex
That's
that
true.
you.
Ex is off
That's-
limits.
No, that's the ex that you're holding on to.
Nah, bro. Any ex is off limits, bro.
No.
Wait, which X is this? I think people should say the X is there so that we know.
We can't.
Yeah. Chaka tak.
Damazita.
Chaka.
Guys, me, I have to
One
go. Yeah, it's kind of late.
But
Chaka
no,
start. Chaka start.
we can't drop.
Nah, I'd rather keep my
Name.
I'd rather keep my items away.
We can't drop names.
Nah, but I know her by name.
It's true. Intro kumziwa.
Okay, cool. It's cool. It's fine.
But
Let's move on.
what I meant is that
Move on.
what I meant is that you have that ex that you don't care about, right?
Ah, check it, bro.
Then there's the ex that
Yeah.
you
Majority of them.
huh?
Majority of them. Yeah.
But then there's
95%.
there's that one.
I think it's if she broke up with you, then you're probably still attached to her. But if you broke up with her, then
Exactly.
you probably don't care about her.
Nah,
That's
I think it's different
Yeah,
for
man.
me. I think it's different. If she itemized me, I'll just play. This is easier. And just don't go to food. And just don't go to food.
Hey, Dina,
That's how I am.
Dina, are you telling me you don't have an
Yeah?
ex like that? Are you telling me you don't have an ex like that?
I do.
Please don't antagonize the man.
And now, but now,
Don't antagonize.
You see, it's a fact. It's a fact.
It's a fact.
Everyone has that ex.
Nagaita revenge.
Yeah, it's
Wait.
a fact.
Wait. Can people be friends with their exes?
Can people be
I can't.
Ah, yes.
Yeah,
actually
I can.
You can't.
I can't.
Yes.
can.
Yes.
That's how you
can.
backslide, dude. You can't.
I can't.
As much as you can fight me, you can't. Or you backslide one way. or
Wait.
another.
Case, what guns do you have with your ex? What do you talk about?
Exactly.
Random guns.
What kind of gun?
I'm child. Nongorona. What business?
Random
Awkward.
guns. So things like I remember that time when we did that, they don't pop into your conversation.
Aiwa. Block that.
They
No.
do
That's
sometimes,
it.
but then you
We
have to-
don't do
you
that.
have- you have
We
to-
reminisce pasina and chagu de shama.
You have to curve that.
Exactly.
They have to know straight up, good to know we're not about that life anymore.
Memory lane.
Exactly.
But I think you can be friends though.
Oh yeah, you can.
I'm on your side.
Yeah, me, I feel
I'm
like you
against.
can't.
Why?
I'm
I'm
against.
against.
Why?
Ngamuchuita zvokuvadziwa man.
It's a setup.
Not even. It's just that.
Hey, Dina utachoka muita zvokurwadzira kupinda nemoyo.
Naye, I wanna forgive and forget.
Ayo, you know that.
Hey, wait. So why do you
know that
stay?
in every conversation, okay, every friendship that you supposedly have with your ex, there's always that one person who has lingering feelings. Always that one.
Yeah,
It
no,
will
always,
never work out well.
It's not me.
It will never work out well.
It's not me.
No.
But then, that's why you're supposed to
Red is
have,
the coldest winter.
that's why you're supposed to have that like a period of time where you don't.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It doesn't change anything.
Yeah, even if you do
guys
have
don't
that period of
talk
time, bro.
for 2 months or 2 years, when you guys do get back to talking eventually, this shit is gonna come up.
Yeah, I
Exactly.
agree with also.
It won't work.
Hey, Chaka,
This is why
You
my
can't
kids.
be
why are you
friends
going against Chaka? Why? Tell us.
because you can't be friends with your ex, bro. Like what we're talking about, backslash are bound to pan, bro. Even if you don't talk for a year, where you left your relationship is just the way you're just gonna begin it again. Because you're not gonna come up and be like, "Hey, do you remember me? My name is Ningi Ningi." You know what I mean? You're just gonna go back to yo, what you wearing?
The perception of you will never change.
It's an example. It's an example. Relax.
Chaka,
It's an example.
Auntie, what you wearing?
But come on, don't overhype the one. It's just an example.
Auntie, what I'm thinking.
we see you, Chaka. True owners.
We
True,
understand. We
innit?
understand.
So that's happened to you before.
I mean, not in that way, but yeah.
Yeah, we get you.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright, moving on, guys. Moving on. There's a question that was asked. How do you keep your girl happy?
Mupe mari. Mupe mari. Mupe mari. Mupe mari.
It's a secret. It's a secret.
Yeah, hey, yeah, hey, sad, look, good vibes, energy. I don't live what they say, get to me. Two sides, symmetry. After this, no one a threat to me.